Hello children, I'm your English teacher Khushbu Sharma. Today we will talk about one of the most important parts of a speech, noun. And in this chapter we will learn about definition of noun, kinds of noun, uses of noun, difference between proper noun and common noun, and classification of noun. So let's start. Children, as we know very well that in this world everything has a name. All names or naming words are noun. Here we can see different names have given like Ram, boy, Naveen, Delhi, school, Taj Mahal, ball, pencil, bottle, cat, monkey, buffalo. These all names are nouns because they have names. One thing children, you can see different names. Ram, boy, Naveen are the name of person. School, Delhi, Taj Mahal are the names of places. Ball, pencil, bottle are the names of things. Cat, monkey, buffalo are the names of animal. So children, you can see the different names and these all names are noun. Now, we can understand by the definition, a noun is name of a person, place, animal or thing. Or you can say all the naming words are called noun. Here few more examples. Nikki and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Nikki, dog, football and garden are the nouns and respectively Nikki is the name of a person, dog is the name of a animal, football is the name of a thing, garden is the name of a place. A book is on the table. Book and table are the things and these have names, so these are nouns. He is my friend. Friend is also a noun. Hope you all understand. Now we will talk about kinds of noun. Children, basically there are 5 kinds of noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. One by one we will discuss about all the nouns. First we will discuss about proper noun. Proper nouns are words which name specific people, things, places, or organizations like Rajiv, Nepal, the types of India, Goa, Kitty. Here you can see children, Rajiv is a boy, but that boy has a particular name, Rajiv. That's why it is a proper noun. Nepal is a country, different country name, and you can see the name, particular name Nepal, that's why it is a proper noun. Now common noun. Nouns that names person, places and objects of the same kind are common nouns. Here you can see children, it does not refer to any particular person, places or thing. It gives a common name to a person, place, animal or thing of same class or a kind. Like river. So many rivers are there. Book, boy, town, etc. Now children, collective noun. Collective noun. Noun that name a group or a class of similar things of a person taken together or spoken of as one whole are called collective noun. Like army, bunch, a team of players, a crew of sailors, etc. Basically, children, generally collective noun uses as singular, but if we use it as a plural, it will be converted into common noun. Now next is material noun. Nouns that names material or substances that we can see or touch or are ingredients for making things are called material noun. Anything which help us to make things or we can see or touch, that will consider as a material noun like gold, copper, iron, clay, wood, etc. Children, one more thing keep in your mind. A material noun becomes a common noun when there is an article before it or if the noun in the plural form. Now next is Abstract noun. Nouns that names ideas or concepts, quality, feelings, some state or a thing which cannot be touched or seen are called abstract noun. One can see an angry person or think of honesty but can neither touch nor see anger or honesty, like honesty, love, bravery, heat, etc. Hope children you all have understood this kinds of noun. Now we will talk about classification of noun. Nouns is also classified as countable noun and uncountable noun. First, countable noun. A countable noun is a noun which with both a singular and plural form and it names anything or anyone that can count. Children, a countable noun is very easy that which whatever we can count are called countable noun. Common noun are usually countable nouns like boys, bottle, houses, museum, chairs, etc. Now next, uncountable noun. An uncountable noun or a non-countable noun is a noun which does not have a plural form and which, which refers to something that one can usually cannot count. Children, things are same but we cannot count are called uncountable noun. We cannot count it are called uncountable noun. Like one thing, material and collective nouns are uncountable noun like sugar, gold, liquid, salt, etc. Hope children you all have understood nouns properly. Now here assignments have given underline the noun and name their kinds. So one by one from each sentences you have to select nouns and tell their kinds. Thank you and have a nice day.